Didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You hate me. Look at me.
Alright, what's good with my YouTube fam? Some of y'all know that I've been at the hospital pretty much like all week. Just giving y'all a little update before we get into what we got to get into today. So today I'm just trying to put together a vlog for y'all, just something, give y'all a little update on Granny. Yeah, so y'all know we originally went to the hospital for a knee surgery. First day she got out, you know, I was there, was talking, chilling. The next day I went there. She was cool. We did her physical therapy was getting her up and everything. And then afterwards, she said that they asked her if she was in some pain or whatever. So obviously she just had knee surgery. So of course she was like, yeah, her knee was hurting or whatever. And then they gave her some pain meds through the IV. It was like Dilaudid, some shit like that. It started with D. I can't remember exactly what it is, but they gave her some pain meds through her IV. And then I want to say like an hour later, she just kind of just like zombied out. So I'm thinking like, all right, her pain meds kicked in, she's just high. So, you know, I'm chilling, I'm sitting there just watching her. Notice she'd like lift up and just look off into space, and I'm like, Granny, you all right? You cool? And she wouldn't really say nothing. And then like I was looking at her heart rate and stuff. Her heart rate was hella high. It was like 160 or whatever. So had the nurse come in, they was checking her, and then, you know, shit just like, you know, when they don't want to tell you something going on. And then they was like, oh, we're gonna call the doctor in real fast. So when the doctor came in, he started like doing like, oh, follow my hand, let me see, wiggle your toes, where are you at? She couldn't really communicate. Like she was just out, like completely like out. Like I was just like, what the hell happened? So they ended up doing like a bunch of tests, a bunch of scans on her, and you know, they thought maybe she had a stroke or something, but her test results came back saying that her brain activity, everything was fine. So I think what happened was they probably over medicated her, or that pain med that they gave her, she probably had an allergic reaction to. I know she's allergic to aspirin and penicillin, but I'm not sure. That's like the only thing I can explain or say happened. I told them that. I was like, man, we were sitting here talking, she was feeding herself, and then all of a sudden she was just like completely out of it. Like she didn't even know who I was. So, you know, for me, this has been a rough week. I've literally been there every single day since Tuesday. As soon as visiting hours start, I'd get up and go there, and then I'd leave when they kick me out. I've just been there like all day. So, I mean, I haven't really been getting much sleep, haven't really been eating. Like, you know, you come home and, you know, y'all used to seeing Granny sitting over there with the cat or sitting here eating Cheerios. And for me, you know, I see her every day. So, you know, it just feels odd being in the house without my Granny here. But, and plus, man, it's like when she don't know who you are, it's like, oh, who am I? Like, she can't really talk. Her, like, lip was quivering. It was just like, man, it was like, you go from talking to her and we joking around, she eating like normal, to she don't know who you are, you know, just like dazed, like out of it, like just looking off into space, staring, like just, you know, scary feeling, man. But I was there yesterday. She seemed to be doing a little better. I guess since she's older, we just kind of gotta wait for everything to clear out. I had them take her off of the IV pain medication. They're just giving her like pain medication orally through like pills or whatever. Yesterday when I went there, she seemed to be doing a little bit better, a little bit more responding, kind of a little bit more like herself, but still not fully there. But when I was helping the PTs bend her leg and get some physical therapy on her knee, you know, she definitely was back to her kind of like herself, cussing at him because we was moving that knee. But, you know, she's still a little bit out of it. So I'm hoping once I go up there today, she'll kind of be at least a little closer to being herself. You know, we'll just really plan it day by day. But yeah, for the first part of this, man, before I go up there, I'm about to actually be going to Santa Rosa. I need to go to the machine shop that's doing my 2J, and Brett's gonna meet me there. We'll get ready to head to Santa Rosa in a little bit. But for all my YouTube brothers and sisters, that's pretty much an update on our Granny, man. So maybe I'll get there. I haven't been vlogging there at all just because like she was just so out of it, didn't feel like herself, so I didn't even want memories of that on footage or anything like that. So, you know, maybe today, hopefully if she feeling better, we can get her to talk a little bit and, you know, tell us how she's feeling. So that's all I'm hoping for. And again, for everybody that had encouraging wishes and said they were praying for my granny and all that, man, appreciate y'all, because trust me, man, I'm a big ass baby when it comes to my grandma. So I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all a lot for all that. But yeah, let's get ready to head out and go get the C5 checked out, and then we'll be off to the hospital to check on granny. Make sure we take granny little handicap placard so we get that VIP parking. Alright, here grabbing some E85 real quick, and then we'll be off to the machine shop. Let's go meet up with Brett. We're just getting to the machine shop right now. About to have Brett pull this thing in and then just get the check-in real quick. So hopefully I'm not here too long, because I do want to go get to my granny ASAP. So what's good? What's good? Nothing much. I got a fog light out right here. Alright, trying to get this thing racked up right now. Been driving them trucks for too long, man. You forgot how to drive a stick.
Yeah. Maybe I'll have you get the front up first.
Alright, so I was just checking with this little camera thing, and it looked like it's still leaking back there on the block. So I'm gonna probably leave it here, have Nita swoop me. That way they can pull the intake, double check the valley cover area. There's an oil pressure sensor up top, so I'll have them check all that. But I'm hoping that the block ain't cracked, man. Hopefully it's not a hairline crack. So we got the smoke tester on this thing. You can see it's smoking right here. So there's a leak back there somewhere. Still trying to figure out where exactly. At least we're getting closer and closer to finding it now. I don't know if y'all can see it on camera, but yeah, you kind of see it right here, puffing up. I'm just now getting back home. That full black Aaron called me and said that he was gonna be going to some car show today. So I'm probably gonna go over there before we go see Granny. I talked to my auntie. My auntie was just like, "Oh, just come later because she already up there or whatever." But she said that my granny is doing better. I heard my granny yelling at me in the background, asking me why I wasn't up here. So yeah, we'll be going there. But I think I'm gonna probably take the 350Z. We'll be taking this to the show. Just got to the little event. Hella stuff over there. Over there they got the donut pit and stuff, so we got a lot of people over that way. So they just bapped each other in there. Mopar and Ford. I was literally at that event probably all of 20 minutes. So for about 20 minutes, I didn't even go meet up with Aaron. Left there, and now we up here to go visit Granny. What's up? How you feeling today?
Okay.
Feeling better?
Mm-hmm.
You know who I am today?
Marco, little shotgun Malone.
Yeah, okay. Let me say I'm on full government. You can use your hands now? Let me see your thumb. Yeah, let me see your other thumb. Uh-huh. Let me see your tongue. Oh. Oh. You was doing it when you was unconscious. Let me see your tongue now. Oh. Like that. Oh. Your YouTube grandkids said they're praying for you too. Your YouTube grandchildren. Everybody said hope you get Bell soon.
Me too.
I know, what happened? You remember what happened? Remember the last couple of days or no?
I know they're working on my knee today.
I'm talking about the other day. You remember what happened the last few days? Huh? Do you remember or no?
Yeah.
Here, try this. These grapes good. Probably better than the ones they got here. They fresh. Back reading and everything now. Go ahead. Say bye to your grandbaby.
Yeah.
I'm okay.
Why you grab her coochie, Granny? Alright, Ma. I'll be here tomorrow. Love you.
What time?
Probably earlier than today. So, I'll be here earlier tomorrow.
You're gonna break my tap. I need it for 11 o'clock.
I'll try to bring it here for you to go, so you can watch church.
Right.
Got your nose on camera. Get out of there.
Then I looked and
Unless you're getting me some gold nuggets. As y'all can see now, she's doing way better. So if you seen the video that I had posted yesterday, it was more like a little music video. You can see on that video, she was just like still out of it, wasn't herself. And today she's like night and day, bruh. Like she actually seems like herself and shit now. So yeah, hopefully everything continues to get better. And next step from here is she'll be going to rehab for her range of motion stuff. But yeah, anywho, we're about to be heading out, going home, about to go grab something to eat. Quick little update for y'all. Our granny is doing a lot better. I'm not gonna jinx it and say we in the clear, but things are looking promising. So we'll just continue to see how things go. Bruh, so this is the first time I'm putting 91 in this car. I haven't put 91 in this car since it's been on E85. Where I'm at right now, there's no E by me. And fucking, this is $7 a gallon for 91 right now. This is insane. And the closest E85 station, I'm probably not gonna make it because this is like, it's probably like an hour away from my house or my area. So the closest E85 station is probably like, I wanna say 30 minutes. So yeah, we're stuck with expensive ass 91. Jeez. It's probably gonna take hella much to fill this thing up right now.